Stellantis chooses Charge Enterprises to install EV charging for U.S. dealer network. Stellantis partnered with Charge Enterprises to install electric vehicle EV chargers at its 2,600 dealerships across the United States, U.S. Jeff Kamor, Stellantis U.S. head of sales, explained that the legacy automaker chose Charge due to its automotive expertise, technical expertise, and client-centric approach. Stellantis hopes Charge will help build an EV charging infrastructure to fully support the transition to electric vehicles at its U.S.-based dealerships. All of the dealers we work with value our dedicated approach and our thoughtful mindset to delivering solutions today, while preparing our clients for the EV infrastructure demands of tomorrow, said the president of Charge, Mark Leneve. We remain committed to helping as many auto dealers throughout the country execute on much-needed EV charging infrastructure as we remain focused on meeting the needs of the Stellantis dealer body, who are doing a great job meeting the needs of their customers, Leneve added. Late last year, Stellantis announced plans to prepare its dealerships in the United States for electric vehicles. Since the announcement, the legacy automaker has partnered with several companies on the project. Besides Charge Enterprises, Stellantis has teamed up with Future Energy, VIA, and AGI. Future Energy is helping Stellantis dealers assess their readiness for electrification. The car OEM asked dealerships in the United States to prepare for Level 3 EV chargers. The company aims to make its battery electric vehicle sales account for over 50% of its global revenues by 2030. For perspective, Stellantis electric vehicle sales only account for 3% of its global revenues in 2021. Stellantis is making moves to expand its EV charging services in North America to support its EV sales goals. One of the biggest considerations Stellantis is mulling over is the adoption of Tesla's North American charging standard (NACS) as it builds out an EV charging infrastructure. Stellantis has its own free 2Move Charge brand that offers charging services, and the company might offer Tesla NACS connectors at its stations if more OEMs in North America incorporate the technology into their electric vehicles. Stellantis has already teamed up with other major OEMs, including General Motors, Hyundai, Kia, Honda, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz, to build a massive EV charging network that would reportedly rival Tesla's expansive supercharger network. Source: reposted and summarized from Maria Morano at Teslarati.